Good morning, students. Today I will teach you science and revise your science syllabus from chapter 7, 8, 9, and 10 for periodic test second. For getting good marks, you have to learn these answers of video lecture. You have to revise your syllabus from given chapters. Practice all questions or fill in the blanks. Take the correct answers. True false type questions. Very short answer. That means one word answer. Chapter 7. A. Fill in the blanks. An accident is any sudden event that may cause damage or injury to people and property. We should cross a road only at the zebra crossing. When the crosswalk light changes to red, the pedestrians have to stop walking. Always keep to your left when you are riding a bicycle. जब साइकिल चलाएं तो हमेशा अपने लेफ्ट साइड में, सड़क पर हमेशा लेफ्ट साइड में साइकिल चलाना चाहिए. 5. Calamine lotion can be used on stings. B. Tick the correct and cross the wrong statement. सही स्टेटमेंट पर सही का निशान और रॉन्ग पर रॉन्ग का निशान लगाएं. वी शुड ऑलवेज वॉक ऑन द फुटपाथ और साइडवेज. हमें हमेशा फुटपाथ या सड़क के किनारे चलना चाहिए. ट्रू. इफ वी आर इन ए हरी वी शुड रन अप और डाउन द स्टेयर्स. अगर हम जल्दी में भी हों तब भी सीढ़ी पर तेजी से नहीं चढ़ना या उतरना चाहिए. इफ वी आर इन हरी वी शुड रन अप और डाउन द स्टेयर्स. अगर हम जल्दी में हैं तो हमें तेजी से उतरना या चढ़ना चाहिए. यह स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, फॉल्स. कहते कि तेजी से चढ़ेंगे तो चढ़ने या उतरने पर, अगर हम सीढ़ी पर तेजी से चढ़ेंगे या उतरेंगे तो गिरने का चांस रहता है. वी शुड नॉट टच द इलेक्ट्रिकल आउटलेट्स व्हेन आवर हैंड्स आर वेट. ट्रू. Medicines can be eaten without an adult's assistant. False. If someone has burned his hand, you should place his hand under warm water. True. If someone has burned his hand, you should place his hand under warm water. Wrong statement. Chapter 8. You have to learn this point. Match the following. Cotton हमें प्लांट से मिलता है. कॉटन यानी रुई. ये रुई है, हमको प्लांट से मिलता है. सिल्क एनिमल से मिलती है. ऊल सीप से मिलता है. नाइलॉन केमिकल सब्सटेंसेज है. लेदर हमें गर्मी देती है, वार्म में रखती है. क्लास 4 चैप्टर 8. ए. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. वी वियर कॉटन क्लॉथ्स इन समर. हम सूती कपड़े यानी कॉटन के क्लॉथ्स समर में यानी गर्मी के दिनों में पहनते हैं. डैश प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम रेन. रेन कोट्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम रेन. सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर मैन मेड. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए सिंथेटिक फाइबर. इनमें से कौन सिंथेटिक फाइबर है? जूट, लाइनेन, कॉटन, नाइलॉन. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ऊल इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम शीप. Raincoats keep us dry in the rainy season because they are made of waterproof material. It is better to wear dark colored clothes in winter because they absorb heat. Cotton cloths can be washed with detergent and soap. Oil and grease stains have to be removed with petrol. C. Tick the correct and cross the wrong statement. सही स्टेटमेंट पर सही का निशान और गलत पर गलत निशान लगाएं. We should wear dark colored clothes in summer. False. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. True. People wear raincoats and gumboots in desert. False. All cloths are made of oily. All cloths are made of only natural fibers. Wrong. False statement. Naphthalene balls should be put in the folds of woolen cloths while storing them. True. Chapter 9, page 64. Write one word for the only planet on which there is life. Earth. The largest planet, Jupiter. Planet with rings को सैटर्न कहा जाता है. The red planet, Mars. Planet called the evening star, Mercury. These are the answers of these sentences. You can learn these questions, answers for periodic test second. A. Take the correct answer. The hottest planet is Mercury. Which of the following is an outer planet? इनमें से कौन outer planet है? Jupiter. Dash is the smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. The number of planets in our solar system are 9. The number of planets in our solar system are 8. The earth rotates from west to east. पृथ्वी वेस्ट से ईस्ट की तरफ रोटेट करती है. Fill in the blanks. रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करें. All planets of the solar system revolve around the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. There are 8 gas planets in the solar system. Day and nights are not equal at the equator. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Earth completes one revolution in 365 whole 1 upon 4 days. C. Take the correct and cross the wrong statement. Mars is the only planet with life on it. False. Uranus is called the blue planet. False. The hot molten rock coming out of a volcano is called lava. The core is the hottest part of the earth. Another name for the inner planets is dwarf planet. Chapter 10, Air, Water and Weather. A. Take the correct answer. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called evaporation. oh sorry, the amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. इसे हिंदी में नमी कहते हैं, आर्द्रता कहा जाता है, ह्यूमिडिटी इसका आंसर होगा. When water turns into water vapor, it is known as evaporation. The hotter the day, the greater the evaporation. Harmful germs in water can be killed by decantation, filtration, sedimentation, boiling. This is the process of removing impurities through filter paper. Sedimentation, decantation, chlorination, filtration होगा इसका आंसर. B. Fill in the blanks. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere around us. मौसम हमारे आसपास का एटमॉस्फेयर है. Land gets heated faster than water. The process of change of water to water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Water vapor droplets cling together to form clouds. See, take the correct and cross the wrong statement. सही पर सही का निशान और गलत पर गलत का निशान लगाएं. Evaporation is faster on a humid day. False. Replacement of warm air with cool air causes wind. True. Land breeze blows during the day. False. Soluble impurities can be removed by filtration. गलत है. Land gets heated faster than water. Land gets heated faster than water. True statement. Dear students, you have to revise the syllabus for your periodic test second for getting good marks. Thank you very much.